Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this simple tutorial we shall be looking at how to reduce noise in CapCut. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how to reduce noise in CapCut in order to avoid background sound distraction. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store, and then you search for your CapCut. You need to make sure your CapCut is updated to the latest version, so just search for CapCut, and you can see you have to update your CapCut to the latest version. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to open your CapCut and then select the video. This is the video that I just did. Now you have to select your sound, and once you have selected your sound, you can see so many options over here. Just scroll to where you can see reduce noise. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on the reduce noise, and you have to make sure you turn on this button. So if it is off, you have to turn on this button, and you can see noise reduction in processing. So pin your dial over here, noise reduction in process. So you have to turn on this button in order to reduce your background sound. With this trick you can get an accurate and a very good sound on your CapCut editing. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video